guys, I'm back with another CrossFit low carb recipe for breakfast, and today I will be making bacon and egg stuffed avocado, and I'm going to place mine on a plate of mixed greens. So this comes together super simple. You take an avocado and you cut it in half. Then you have, let me get this out for you. You have a boiled egg, and it's 1 egg per avocado. It could be 1 egg per each half if you prefer. If you don't like egg, just go ahead and just do 1 boiled egg, but I'm doing an egg per half. And then I have some bacon, and then I'm going to top it off with some tomato. And I'm going to also top it off with some feta cheese. And the mix calls for sour cream, seasoning, and your egg and your bacon. So let's get started. First, you want to scoop out your avocado. So now I'm going to place it on my bed of greens. There, so I have it all scooped out. I have my avocado shells. Now I'm going to add in some sour cream. I'm going to add in my egg. And also my bacon. For my seasoning, I'm going to use smoked paprika, no salt seasoning, celery salt, pepper. Now let's mix this all together. If you feel your mix is a little too thick, just go ahead and add some more sour cream. So that's what it looks like when it's all mixed up. Now we just stuff it back into the avocado. Okay, that's what that's looking like. So now I'm going to add in my tomatoes on top. Sprinkle with some green onions and some feta cheese. So this is the final product, everyone. And this here has 29 grams of fat. I added feta cheese. That's about 3 more grams of protein, along with the 16 grams of protein. And it's supposed to be less than 10 grams of carbs in here. So this one's considered high fat, of course. It has the protein that I need as well, the fat, so I can burn fat instead of carbs. I'm going to leave the information in the description area below. If you would like to see more CrossFit low carb recipes, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for supporting my channel, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Like the video, share the video, try the recipes out. Let me know how they work for you and any tweaks that you may have tried for yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.